Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So I really appreciate all the support on the channel, and one of the reasons that we started this channel a long time ago was to teach. And I got a good friend of mine that just sent me the link to his daughter's YouTube channel, and I'm gonna put that link down below. And the channel is called Honest Peyton's Speed Shop. So if you guys could go over to Honest Peyton's Speed Shop and subscribe, I'd like to see if we can just get, thousands of people going over to her channel, because on this channel, that's one of the reasons we do this, is to teach. And she's doing the same thing. And the younger generation, that's our future. So I really believe in, helping the kids, working with the kids, whatever. Actually, that's what we were doing yesterday. The last 3 days we've been in the other side of the cities of Minnesota, and we just got back home late last night, and we were teaching kids how to weld and run an excavator and a bandsaw and some other stuff, and that's for big ideas. But it would be really cool if all my supporters or subscribers or whatever would go over to Peyton's channel and sub her channel and support her, leave nice comments, whatever. Tell her Arco sent you over there from Outlaw Edge, and that'd be really cool. That way she knows where this is coming from. Not that I want credit for it. I want to know that my channel's gonna support her, and all my friends are gonna support her channel. And I'd like to see her get her channel built up like crazy, so that we could get her to start building up her channel and maybe get it monetized, where she could be supported by the monetization, so that she's making money, because she's built some cool ass hot rods with her dad. Her dad's a really good friend of mine, and they're doing some chopped convertible roadsters, some coupes, some sedans, hot rods, rat rods, all kinds of cool stuff in the shop. They're going to be doing a shop tour, and like I said, if you guys can go over to the channel, I think you guys will really like it. And she's just a great kid. Her dad's awesome, really good friend of mine, and just love the guy to pieces. He's always supporting our car show. He's always here buying gear from us and stuff. And I'm actually gonna try to go maybe Saturday, Sunday, something like that, to their shop, and I'll try to film some more and do some videos, some collaborations with them or something, now that they have a brand new, fresh YouTube channel. And she actually just put out the first video today, and excuse me. So what I'll do is I'll take down below, I'll put if you have any questions or whatever, leave them down below. But I will also put Peyton's channel down below, the link, so that you could go to her channel on YouTube if you can't find it, because it is a new channel. The algorithms aren't even built up yet, so it might be hard to find. But I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you the name of it. It's Honest Peyton Speed Shop. And like I said, please subscribe, because our future is the young generation. There's a lot of kids that don't want to work, they don't want to use their hands and do nothing. They just want to sit in front of a TV and play games or whatever, video games. And that's not what it's about. You got to get out there and hustle and make money. And if there's any kid out there that's hustling and making money with their two hands, using their brain, using their knowledge, whatever, I want to support them 100%. And that's what we're going to do. Is so if I can get you guys to all go to her channel and sub the channel and support her, and just leave nice comments and lift her up, and check out all the projects that her and her dad are doing, that'd be really cool. And I'm sure he'll have the kids in the shop and whatever, working and whatever. But like I said, if I go there, I'll try to do some videos and do the same thing, support them and work in the shop, help them on the hot rods and doing some welding, fabrication, whatever. And they're building some really cool cars. So anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around. I appreciate you guys and all your support. Pretty soon we're gonna be doing another giveaway on our channel, because we got a lot of subs and so much support with all of our subscribers and whatever. And thanks again. We'll see you on the next video. Later. So Honest Peyton Speed Shop, go check it out. Please subscribe to their channel. You guys won't be let down. Later.